The term AI/IMP most commonly refer to artificial intelligence importance questions, likely as a educational context. AI is a transformative technology that 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 means human intelligence to perform variation advanced tasks. The intelligence important artificial intelligence AI important because it can always data and automotive complex text and generated highlights across its maximum fields efficiency and productivity businesses streamlines operative and automotive non-relative tech leading to better because making capability problem solving AI technologies are uses to solve complex global issues such as modeling and climate change, productivity, energy, efficiency, and including processes to work. The UN's Sustainable Development Goals SDG innovation AI underpins modern innovation across its, including from inches hardware and to amazing transportation and negative navigation system. Energy applications it power common tools like digital assistants SRI, ALEXA, search engines, social media platforms, and future motivation system. Common important questions in AI studies. In a academic setting, AI/IMP questions typically cover core concepts and algorithms. Those including topics such as first topic agent and environments definition in intelligence agent and their interactions with the world search understanding method like Brits first search DFS depth first search DFS A along with and the climbing knowledge representation using propositional logging and first order logging to represent and reasons about information machine learning concept as a such including learning decisions trees and reforms learning. Natural language processing (NLP), the ability and machines to the understand and respond to human languages. Human languages are IMP units. IMP units are introduction to affiliated. First, definition between ANI, ANG and ASI. Second, describe the components of a production system. Third, explain the history and evolution of AI in brief. Explain any 5 characteristics of intelligence agents. Defective between determining and environments. Next point, describe the role of the inference engine in a production system. Second, what are AI technology? Describe any two. Explain type of environment and based on observably and squarely. Second, write a short note on explain system with one example. How does AI concept to the search and NLP? Next, discuss the evolution of AI, the 1950s to the present day. Second, explain to all 5 types of intelligence agents with suitable examples. Second, describe a product system in AI along with its components and working. Example, characteristics, intelligence, agent and detail. What are really literally in AI? Computer based on perfect reasonably with examples. Classified nature of AI environments with suitable examples. Describe any 5 applications AI with examination. Compare and contrast a fairly narrow intelligence, general, intelligent, and super intelligence. Example, the concept, agent, and environment in AI with real world examples. Next, list the 3 challenges and natural languages processing and define pattern matching in pattern regions. What is the function of the examples system in an example system? Makes medium. Describe any type example system and examples. Long. Make long. Describe any archive of the example expert system with a nearest diagram with AI examples. What are the major issue knowledge repercussions and how the occurrently they handled based on making learning define learner reasons and given one are real use cases. Two advantage and limitations of supports vector machine SVM. What are conclusion briefly example its structure. Define overflow in the content in describe trees. King of the K nearest near bones KNN along with the suitable examples. Differences between reasons and recall with a renewal is recall more importance. What are the components are describe tree. Describe each briefly. Compartments error MAE means error MSE and root means sequence error RMSE. What are the means application of ML in hardware with e-commerce and industries, and describe the working and support vector machine including the concepts and hard copy supports vectors and key learn tricks. Thank you. Explain the detail and evaluation matrix use of classification text agently present recall F1 search and confusion matrix. Discuss to structure any training process and decisions trees. How do you they choose future strips and avoid overfeeding? Describe variation, reasons, evolution, matrix, and importance how to their guide and model performance in practical tricks. Thank you. Welcome.